Recording in progress.
Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome. Let's read the title together. Les cheveux et les yeux, two nouns, hair and eyes. So this lesson, we're going to be describing someone else's hair and eyes, like i.e. what they look like. This is for all ages. This is a beginner lesson. We might have some babies in the class. Remember, babies are really intelligent and they are going to soak everything I say up like a sponge. Anyone who's a little bit older, you're in a good place, okay? Les cheveux et les yeux. These are two nouns. In French, nouns are either masculine or feminine. Both of these are masculine nouns and they're both plural. We have two eyes. It's plural. There's more than one. We have many hairs on our head. It's plural. Different to English. In English, we just say my hair. In French, my hairs, right? Okay, so let's keep this short and snappy. We're going to count to 10 to warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, et 10. Okay, challenge yourself, pause the video, and count to 10 on your own. Comptez jusqu'à 10. Count up to 10. Okay, we're going to start with some adjectives and build our key sentence together. Court. It means short, and it's describing this child's hair. It's an adjective. Court. An adjective describes a noun. So we're describing the hair, the hairs. Remember in French, les cheveux. It's plural. Court. That's why there's an S on the end of this. Elle a les cheveux courts. Is this person a girl or a boy? Can you tell by the sentence? The first word is elle. It means she. Elle a. She has. This is third person. She has. And the verb is avoir. Avoir means to have. Elle a les cheveux courts. Let's translate the words literally. She has the hairs short. Put it into standard English now. She has short hair. We have a different word order. You will find that in a lot of languages, the word order is different. That's why I love learning languages. It opens your mind. And that's what we want, to be more open-minded. Elle a les cheveux courts. Let's do another one. So our adjective describing the hair, raide, straight. Say it with me, raide. Elle a les cheveux raides. She has short hair. Right. I'm gonna break this down into 3 parts. Elle a. It's your first part, number 1. Elle a. What does it mean? She has. Next up, we have the noun. Hair, right? Elle a les cheveux. It's the noun. And finally, finalement, raide, straight. The adjective. Elle a les cheveux raides. That's the word order. And we're going to be you're going to be seeing this 1, 2, 3 way of building a sentence throughout the lesson. Elle a les cheveux raides. Okay, next one. Frisé. We're describing the very tight curls. It's like the word frizzy in English. Frisé. Say it. Frisé. Il a les cheveux frisés. Uh-oh, what's changed? Have you noticed? It's no longer elle a les cheveux frisés. It's il a les cheveux frisés. It's still third person, but it's not she has, it's he has. So this is actually a boy in the picture. Il a les cheveux frisés. Say it with me. Il a les cheveux frisés. You can pause the video at any time if you want to practice speaking, saying the sentences more and more. The more you say them, the better. Bouclé. My hair is a little bit curly. Bouclé means curly. If you do an action, that would be great if you could participate in doing some actions. It adds to the learning experience. Bouclé. Il a les cheveux bouclés. He has curly hair. Say it with me. Il a les cheveux bouclés. Color now, une couleur brun. Okay, let's practice pronouncing this. Brun. The S is silent. Brun. It means brown, but it's said with a French accent. Brun. Can you hear the connection? Brun, brown. Il a les cheveux bruns. So this time the adjective, it's not describing the hair texture, it's describing the color, right? Il a les cheveux bruns, but it's the same format, the same word order. Blond. This is like the English word blonde. And we pronounce it like this. Blond. In this case, the D and the S are silent. You don't hear them. Blond. Okay? Les cheveux blonds. Elle a les cheveux blonds. Say it, please. She has blonde hair. Elle a les cheveux blonds. Roux, red, ginger, strawberry blonde. There's a special word in French. We don't say rouge, which means red. We have a special word for describing red, ginger, or strawberry blonde hair. Roux. Look, the X, you don't pronounce that X. It's roux. Say it, please. Roux. She has red hair. Elle a les cheveux roux or ginger hair. Okay? Elle a les cheveux roux. Gris, encore une couleur, another color. Gris. Elles ont les cheveux gris. Let's go. Something's changed. What is it? Did you notice? How many women are there? Il y a trois femmes dans l'image. There are three ladies in the picture. Trois femmes. They have gray hair. They're all girls. In French, there's a special word for they if it's a group of girls, and it's elles. E-L-L-E-S, right? Just like you add an S to a word in English to make it plural, you often do that in French as well. Elles ont les cheveux gris. They have gray hair. But that's the nice thing about French. This sentence is giving us more information than an English sentence would because we know that who's they? Oh, it's a group of three girls. It's a group of girls, okay? Elles ont les cheveux gris. Merci. I think you're all doing wonderful. You're showing up. And we're going to talk about eye color quickly. Marron, comme moi, brown, marron. This word actually means chestnut. Marron. So look, it's the same format. I hope that I was not covering the words throughout this whole lecture. Okay, il a, he has, les yeux, eyes, marron. This is the same format as before, but this time we're not saying les cheveux. We've changed the noun. It's now les yeux. Il a les yeux marrons. It's the same 1, 2, 3 format. Okay, keep saying the words out loud. Bleu. You can write them down if you want as well. It's really good spelling and writing practice. I find French easier to write than English because there are more regular spelling patterns. Elle a les yeux bleus. She has blue eyes. Are you getting the hang of this now? Vert. Elle a les yeux verts. She has green eyes. You say it too. Elle a les yeux verts. Okay, we're doing a quick quiz. You have to choose The adjective that describes his hair, long or court. I don't think I taught you the word long, but I'm sure you can work out what it means. Long or court, long or short. Il a les cheveux courts. He has short hair. Court. Okay, what you can do is you can pause the video and see if you can answer the questions before I tell you. Il a les yeux bleus ou marron? Marron. Okay, remember to say the full sentence. Il a les yeux marrons. You can also write these down in a notebook or even type them somewhere just to practice spelling. Remember to always go the extra mile and do a little bit extra, but also you decide what you want to learn because it's your learning and don't depend on a teacher. Okay, let's look at this girl. How is her hair? Elle a les cheveux longs ou courts? Does she have long or short hair? Long. Elle a les cheveux longs. Elle a les yeux marrons ou verts. How are her eyes? She has brown eyes. Elle a les yeux marrons. Okay, so let's do one more. How is this girl's hair? Raide ou frisé? I think that's a spelling mistake. I think the Z in frisé should be an S, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to ask you to look that up and check it. Okay, you can let me know in the comments. Elle a les cheveux frisés. We don't tend to use that word to describe hair in English, but we know what it means. Frizzy. Really tight curls, yeah. Elle a les cheveux frisés. Elle a les yeux verts ou marrons? She has brown eyes. Elle a les yeux marrons. Okay, thank you, everybody. We're going to finish here. I hope you're feeling more confident about using this sentence to describe someone's hair and eye color. What you can do now is find a person in your class or your family and describe their hair and describe their eye color. So, do they have long hair? Is it straight? Is it curly? Is it brown? Do they have green eyes? And I want you to say at least 2 sentences to describe the person and how they look. Okay, thank you, everybody. Merci. Well done for showing up and giving it your all. Sometimes showing up is enough. Okay, so I'm really proud of you for doing that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share this video because I'm going to be posting a lot more French lessons for beginners and people doing their GCSEs as well. Okay, thank you, everyone. Au revoir. Merci. Bye.